Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Monica Jain this side. Yes, today was the result day. Many of you did clear the attempt, many of you did not clear the attempt. Few of you cleared first group, few of you cleared second group, and others have cleared both the groups. See, I don't want any one of you to let go anything. Either you're happy, sad, shocked, or confused. It's normal to have all these feelings right now because it did happen to you. I say I gave amazing result for CA final, CA intermediate, but CA foundation result was bit off. I understand that. But you know what? Let's just talk about those first who have cleared the attempt. So they may just watch the video till this point and they may leave because they have to enjoy the enjoyment and the bliss they are having right now in. Yes, you did it. You did amazing. All your hard work paid off. Whatever you have taken stress off, sleepless nights, those struggles, those mood swings, everything did just paid off. That feeling of seeing those two successful or either successful which you were waiting for, it's a dream come true kind of for us, for all those CA students out there, those who are struggling. Whichever attempt it was of yours, no need to focus on that. You just have to focus on one single thing, the word successful. And yes, we all are happy for you. Those who have even not cleared, they are also feeling happy for you. So you take your time, enjoy this, have your moment. Now, coming back to those who haven't cleared your attempt, like either it was a group 1, group 2, or both the groups. See, everything happens on a right time. हर चीज़ सही वक्त पे सही तरीके से होती है. So if did not happen to you, you don't have to take pressure. You don't have to feel like self doubt. मुझे कुछ आता नहीं है, मैं कुछ कर नहीं सकता. I know few of your families would be supportive और कुछ की families सच में ताना देंगी. मेरे टाइम पे माई पेरेंट्स डिड नॉट गिव मी एनी टाइप ऑफ टॉन्ट्स. दे सपोर्टेड मी सो मच that it was so easy for me to step again and start the journey again with the same everything that I have in my mind. But for those जिनके पेरेंट्स उनको थोड़ा बहुत डांट दिया, डिमोटिवेट कर दिया, या फ्रेंड्स ने क्वेश्चन कर दिया why you are taking so many attempts, they don't know your struggle. They don't know the issues that you were facing. उनको नहीं पता कि तुम्हारे किसी ने डाउट सॉल्व नहीं करे. उनको ये नहीं पता कि हाउ यू स्लेप दैट नाइट व्हेन यू डिड नॉट कंप्लीटेड दैट चैप्टर, एंड हाउ यू गेव द एग्जाम व्हेन यू नो दैट उस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक में तो अभी भी डाउट है. तो कोई नहीं जानता वो सारी फीलिंग, सिर्फ तुम जानते हो. सो वॉट आई एम सेइंग इज दैट if you are doing this for the second time, third time, or fourth time, you are doing it this time for yourself, not for anyone, not for your parents, not for your friends, not for society, but for yourself. तुम खुद के लिए करोगे अब. And when you do something by yourself for yourself, you do it actually more better and you put everything into it. Because अभी तुमको मेन चीज़ जो करनी है is to accept that yes, I failed. I got word unsuccessful on my mark sheet. I accept that. You won't realize your mistakes today itself, but within few days when you will get your copies from the RTI, analyze it, go through it, see where you made mistakes, and you will surely realize कि यार कुछ तो ऐसा था where I lacked, जो मैंने प्रेपरेशन के टाइम पे ध्यान नहीं दिया, जो मैंने प्रिपेयर करते समय सोचा नहीं कि यार मैं ये गलत कर रहा हूँ. पर अभी जब तुम्हारे पास कॉपीज आएंगी तब तुम्हें रियलाइज होगा. कुछ को उनकी मिस्टेक्स पहले से पता होगी. Either it was relationship issue, either it was friendship, either it was parents pressure, anything. You all are aware about your mistakes or you will get aware about them. But now coming down how you all are relating to me. I remember my November 2023 was first attempt, my May 2024 was second attempt, and my September 2024 was third attempt. I cleared my both the groups in third attempt with the marks of 332 and an exemption and audit and 50 plus in all subject. The reason was I had the capabilities. I had that thing in my mind. The only thing I was lacking was not realizing my mistakes, was not working more, was not practicing, a lack of mock test and lack of revision. These five mistakes I've also mentioned everywhere. Like I got aware about these mistakes when I was actually spending more time with myself. I was realizing these mistakes. I was trying to figure out why I did these mistakes, why I did not have my active brain cells working on these mistakes when I could have. I had the potential. I could have studied for 10 hours every day with productivity because of the wrong choices, because of not taking the right step at the right time, because of wasting that one more hour on, scrolling through reels or other stuffs, but not giving where it was required. You only have to forget one thing, that you have failed, because you have already accepted that. Acceptance is the first step towards the success. That's it. You accepted everything that you have done, every mistake, possible mistakes will you will get to know once you'll get your copies. Now you don't have to repeat those mistakes and start working from tomorrow. So I am here basically with the 1.5 month planner for you. I would still stick myself to the statement, if you're appearing for both the groups, audit should be a consistent subject throughout. Second thing, give 1 hour, 1.5 hours in the afternoon, evening, night, whenever you feel like a space for a extra subject to SM. Strategic management हमेशा मॉड्यूल से पढ़ना उस सब. कमिंग डाउन टू सेकेंड थिंग, इवनिंग का और आफ्टरनून का स्लॉट फ्लक्चुएट करना सब्जेक्ट्स के बीच में. स्टार्ट विद योर फर्स्ट ग्रुप फर्स्ट. हर एक पोर्शन को कवर करने के बाद जो एक पर्टिकुलर टेस्ट में कवर होता है, here is the flash test coverage. Once you cover the coverage of first test of the flash, give the flash mock test. तो तुमको एक कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाता है, तुमको जल्दी अपनी मिस्टेक रियलाइज हो जाती है, जिससे तुम बहुत पीरियड के बाद जब मॉक टेस्ट के लिए अपेयर होगे तो तुमको कन्फ्यूजन नहीं रहेंगे, तुमको सरप्राइजिंग नहीं लगेगा कि यार अभी भी वही मिस्टेक्स हो रही हैं. स्मॉल स्मॉल इंटरवल्स में अपनी मिस्टेक्स को हमेशा ट्रैक करते रहना चाहिए. तो फ्लैश टेस्ट बहुत हेल्पफुल रहते हैं उस चीज़ में. Coming down to when you will be done with your first revision in this way, start with your second revision. I would recommend only for 2 revision now, as you're left with the less period of time, but it's required. If you have conceptual clarity, completed your lectures, 1.5 month is enough. Then go for your second revision. This time I would recommend second revision, जैसे first revision बहुत conceptual हुआ था, second revision को उतना conceptual नहीं रखना है. बस उसमें brush up करके बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस करने हैं. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस को कम टाइम में कवर करने का यही तरीका होता है कि सिर्फ स्टडी मटेरियल के क्वेश्चंस को लिख लिख कर सॉल्व करो. बाकी जो मटेरियल है RTP, MTP, PYQs ऑफ लास्ट 3 अटेम्प्ट्स, उनके लिए स्क्रिबल करो. PYQs को ट्रीट करने का एक और तरीका होता है, जो उसमें बहुत टफ से क्वेश्चन होते हैं, डिफरेंट क्वेश्चन होते हैं, उनको हमेशा स्क्रीनशॉट लेकर या फिर वट एवर यू आर यूजिंग, इफ़ यू आर यूजिंग हार्ड कॉपी तो फोटो लेकर उनको एक फोल्डर में सेव कर लो. दे आर योर जेम क्वेश्चन. कोई भी रिपीट हो सकता है बिकॉज. एंड फॉर द MCQ पर्पस आई वुड रिकमेंड यू हैव कंसेप्चुअल क्लैरिटी. क्वेश्चन जितने ज़्यादा सॉल्व करोगे उतने ज़्यादा MCQs के लिए कंसेप्ट बिल्डअप होते जाएंगे, और तो यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट देम. और सेकेंड रिविजन में आई वुड रिकमेंड, once you're done with practicing as much as question you have, तो हर हाफ कवरेज ऑफ सिलेबस के बाद हाफ मॉक टेस्ट दो. जैसे ही तुम्हारा हाफ पोर्शन ऑफ अ सब्जेक्ट खत्म हो जाता है, अपेयर फॉर अ हाफ टेस्ट. एंड येस, वंस यू आर डन विथ फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड रिविजन, एक सीरीज ऑफ मॉक टेस्ट देना है इन द रिवर्स ऑर्डर. कि पहले देना है FMSM, देन देना है ऑडिट, देन कॉस्ट, देन टैक्स, देन योर पेपर 2 लॉ, एंड देन पेपर 1 अकाउंट्स. ऐसे करके रिवर्स मॉक टेस्ट दोगे तो यू विल डायरेक्टली अपीयर फॉर द एडवांस अकाउंट पेपर इन योर फाइनल एडवांस अकाउंट एग्जाम इटसेल्फ. ये साइकोलॉजिकल फैक्टर है कि जब तुम कंटिन्यूसली पेपर देते आ रहे हो तो वो 3 आवर्स की प्रिपरेशन तुम्हारी बहुत अच्छे से, वो जो स्पीड है वो बनी रहती है. तो इट वुड बी बेनिफिशियल फॉर यू. आई डिड माई सेल्फ इन द सेकेंड सीरीज ऑफ मॉक टेस्ट. You can do it for yourself also. Now coming down where you will get these mock tests, I have a link of my Telegram channel in the description below. Please kindly go through that. All the information are provided there. The test copies will be properly get evaluated. You will be provided with doubt sessions and also with the review of your answer sheet where you can improve yourself, and it would also be compared with an AIR answer sheet, so that will provide you space for improvement. And yeah, this was it. Please don't get sad. I know where you are standing right now. I've been in that space. I know what it feels like. You'll be compared with so many, even those who were not prepared well, those who were saying, yaar, mera to nahi hoga, ho gaya. But it's fine, na? When your time will come, you will get answer for all these questions कि क्यों नहीं हुआ था, क्यों इतना टाइम लग गया, और क्या मिस्टेक्स थी. So just be with yourself for now. Realize your mistakes properly, accept them, accept, yes, I failed and I will get back, and this time I'll not see anything lesser than 2 successful words, and I know I got your back. Yes. So for any doubt, you can message me on Telegram. I'm connected with you there. Stay tuned for more such content. Stay disciplined, stay consistent, and stick to your plan. Still stick to your plan.